In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a credit card account in Xero step by step. If you're setting up your bookkeeping for the first time or adding a new business credit card to track expenses properly, this is the quick and easy method you need. Having your credit card connected correctly inside Xero helps you reconcile transactions, monitor spending, and keep your financial reports accurate. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along with confidence. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump straight in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several options, including Business, Accounting, and others, depending on your subscription. Click on Accounting in the top menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your financial management tools. From that drop-down, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the Bank Accounts screen, where all your current bank and credit card accounts are listed. On the Bank Accounts page, look for the blue button that says Add Bank Account. It's usually located near the top right area of the screen. Go ahead and click on Add Bank Account. Xero will now prompt you to search for your bank. In the search bar, type the name of your bank, for example, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, or whichever financial institution issued your credit card. As you type, Xero will display matching bank options. Click on the correct bank from the list. Next, you'll be taken to the Account Setup screen. Here's where you'll enter your credit card details. First, in the Account Name field, type a clear and recognizable name. For example, you might enter Business Visa, Amex Gold, or Company MasterCard. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify the card when reconciling transactions later. Then move to the Account Type drop-down menu. This step is very important. Click the drop-down and select Credit Card. Make sure you choose Credit Card and not a regular bank account, because this ensures Xero treats the account correctly in your chart of accounts and financial reports. After selecting the account type, you'll see a field for the account number. For security purposes, you typically only need to enter the last 4 digits of the credit card. Type in the last 4 digits exactly as they appear on your card statement. This helps you differentiate between multiple cards if you have more than one. Once all the details are filled in, double-check everything to make sure the account name, account type, and number are correct. When you're ready, click Continue. Xero will now create the credit card account and add it to your bank accounts list. After the account is created, you can choose to set up a bank feed if your bank supports automatic transaction imports. This allows your credit card transactions to flow directly into Xero, making reconciliation much faster and easier. If you prefer, you can also manually import statements or enter transactions manually. Either way, your credit card account is now properly set up and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card account in Xero. Now you can start tracking expenses, reconciling transactions, and keeping your business finances organized. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.